Hey guys, here we are again. We're outside of CSI and we're getting ready to go inside and do a little shopping. We haven't been in there for a while, so we got a few things we need to pick up and we're going to take you along. So please stay tuned. See you in a few. Is it right? Yep. All right. Lights, camera, action. We are inside the CSI. I went ahead and strapped on the GoPro to the chest. Yeah, I did the old chest mount with the GoPro. Works better that way when you're coming inside malls. Trust me, the security guards don't really notice them, and they tend to get uptight sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes when you're waving a camera around inside the store. So I find that mounting the GoPro to the chest is the best way to go. So anyways, we'll walk through here and take a look at what kind of items you can expect to see when you come inside a CSI cost savers. Oh, what does CSI stand for again? Cost savers something or another. So this is CSI in Alaminos City once again.
We're going up to there.
Yeah, we'll take a walk around the furniture section, the appliances, and then we'll just kind of mosey our way back down towards the groceries. So all kinds of sofas, love seats, chairs, dining tables, bed mattresses. I still haven't found the ultimate bed mattress yet. We bought one here a few years ago. It was okay, but yeah, still not that great. So anyways, here's the furniture section. So tables are looking like they're ranging 8,000 pesos, 10,000 pesos. I don't know if you can see that or not. Kind of like that one over there, that wood one right there. Yeah, of course it's like 28,000, almost 29,000 pesos. So talking upwards of about 500 bucks maybe with the chairs and everything, so maybe not so bad.
The salesman is looking at me.
That's that. He's probably wondering, who the hell are you talking to?
See, they have those.
Yep.
This brown.
Oh yeah? All right, let's take a look at TVs and refrigerators. How about that? Something every household needs here in the Philippines, obviously, is air conditioners. I'll give you my input on that right now. These Conduras, I think I'm pronouncing that right. Condura is pretty nice units. We use those in our house, and we've had good luck with those so far. Condura. We do have a washer. Ours is a Panasonic. I believe we bought it here. Matter of fact, yes, we did. I know we did. And it works excellent. I don't know if that model is still available, but Panasonic obviously is. Can't go wrong. So, oh, and one other thing. You see a lot of Sony and Panasonic, Samsung TVs when you're inside these stores. But those of you coming over to the Philippines, I would highly recommend you look at Lazada. And for TVs, televisions, look up a brand called A-Vision. A-Vision, A-V as in Victor, I-S-I-O-N, A-Vision. We have 2 or 3 of those in the house, or at least we've had 2 or 3 of those in the house, and they work excellent. Really good TVs.
Okay, I'll check in Lazada, and then it will cost more in Lazada.
So what's for dinner tonight?
I want pizza.
She wants pizza.
We can do shopping first. Before.
All right, so I guess we're gonna do some Shakey's. Let's go do some Shakey's.
Shakey's.
We're gonna do the takeout. Let's do the takeout. Let's do the nah. Hmm? No, let's go. Let's take it home.
We don't do something here?
What's that? Yes, but we're gonna take it out, so it's gonna take them about 20 minutes to freaking cook it, right? We're just going in there to pick up a few things like conditioner and whatever. All right, so the decision has been made. We're gonna do Shakey's. All right, so we just had to order some pizzas. Should be ready in about what, half an hour? Grab a basket, and we'll go pick up a few things. How much is that?
$7.15 per.
$7.15.
7 pesos.
Oh, 7 pesos per packet
Yeah.
of Downy Sunrise Fresh. 7 pesos per. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 per strand. So about 42 pesos for that there.
I always buy this one. Kuya, tikasin sa may
13.40 pesos for oxygen bleach, or no, with oxygen bleach. This is the stuff we buy.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. But the big ones are no longer in stock. So let's kind of meander around here and see what we got. This little section here tends to be kind of high. $68 pesos for 4 Fuji apples. So you figure we're at about 58 pesos to the dollar. 58, 59, somewhere in there. 58. $25 square feet. Aluminum foil, 110 pesos. Reynolds wrap, 131. Is this the one we get?
Yeah, that's the one.
This is the butter to get if you're used to the butter back in the United States. The Emborg spreadable. How much is this anyways? Oh, there's Emborg Parmesan.
179.
179 pesos for the butter. Let's go check out Tuna Fish. Are we out? All right. Canned tuna fish, 42 pesos for the stuff we buy. 42. So I'll just pick up a few of these at 42 pesos, 0.15. Oh, there's Spam, 237. So what's that, about $5 almost? No, $4. That's all right, we'll pass on that. Coffee creamer, 122. 450 grams of Coffee Mate creamer for 122, basically 123. Yeah. Let me see, what else? What else? Alrighty, what's next? I wish they would shut the music off. These Cloud 9s are pretty awesome. Peanut butter flavors, and then you have the overloads. But I kind of like these peanut butters right now, so I'll go ahead and score a box of these. 2 of them, actually. I think these candy bars come out to be about 13, right around 13 pesos each. So 161.90 for the box, it looks like 162, which I can handle that. Let's see what else. Boy, it's crowded in here today, huh? Oh, you gotta go down here. Now we get down here in the snack section, the beverages, and I'm going to guess that the Coca-Cola products are gone. That's been happening quite frequently lately with Coca-Cola. And I know there's been a shortage of it because of the sugar situation. I don't know all the details, but I know that they've been having a hard time supplying Coke. All right, let's take a look at the meat. So what do we got here? Chicken breast is always a good place to start out. Which they don't have much today, it looks like. They don't have any, do they? No. Well, today's not a good day to look at the meat selection because there really isn't much. But we'll give you a quick idea. Drumsticks. Looks like it's about $2.06 per kilogram. Whole legs, $2.11 per kilogram. I generally buy lots of chicken breast because we cut that up for stir fries. And, well, you know, chicken breast is good for just about anything. So a lot of this kind of stuff I won't buy.
We will come back later.
Yeah, $2.26 a kilogram for wings. Drumsticks, like I said, $2.06.
The mid-wing.
But yeah, the selection is pretty poor today, so not a good day to be doing video on the meat section at CSI, I guess. But we'll come back and do it again another time when they have a better selection. So we got to start making our way over to the cash line. Jif peanut butter, Smucker's jelly. I tell you what, I can't tell you how happy I was when I saw they had red raspberry Smucker's jam here. I was like, let's go check out the frozen area. Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Look at that. We're going to be here a while. What about our pizza?
You can... Well, yeah. You can carry that.
I hope so.
I will carry that.
Which one? Okay. All right, thank you. All right, we got our pizza. Because we had no plans for dinner. So Shakey's Pizza it is. Put my money away. We'll be out the door here in a second. All right. That's it. We're done. Okay, we have 3 bags. 3 bags of groceries. And that came to a total of what? What did our total come to?
2,412.
So 2,412 pesos for 3 bags. 3 bags of groceries, mostly junk. And then we got the pizza here. Which came to just over 1,000. And that's pretty much going to conclude our trip to CSI. It's crowded in there today, which is another reason why I usually come here on the weekdays. Huh?
You can sit inside alone.
All right. Yeah, I generally only come here on the weekdays. It's just too crazy around here on the weekend. So, if we jump in over here, he could probably just head out through the entrance, no? Oh man.
I'll give you this one.
All right, I gotta cram in there. I would sit outside, but my legs are so long, they dangle all over the place. All right, we are in.